In this video, we'll explore 10 effective strategies to help you stop stress in its tracks and improve your overall well-being. Stay tuned to discover practical tips for managing stress and living a more relaxed life. Exercise regularly. Physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. It can also improve your sleep and reduce anxiety and boost overall cognitive function. Furthermore, regular exercise helps regulate cortisol levels, preventing the adverse effects of chronic stress on the brain and body. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Helps to center your thoughts, reduce negative emotions, and increase self-awareness. Simple breathing exercises or progressive muscle relaxation can effectively reduce stress. Maintain a healthy diet. Proper nutrition supports overall health and can affect your mood and energy levels. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Proper hydration also supports the body's natural detoxification processes, which can alleviate physical stress. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for mental and physical health and helps reduce stress levels. Establish a regular sleep schedule. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Keep your sleep environment comfortable and free of distractions. Connect with others. Social support from friends, family, or support groups can provide emotional comfort and practical help. Spend time with loved ones and engage in social activity. Talk about your feelings and concerns with a trusted friend or therapist. Join clubs or groups that share your interests. Engage in hobbies and activities you enjoy. Reading, painting, gardening, or cooking. Reading allows you to escape into different worlds and relax your mind. It also stimulates cognitive function, enhances focus, and provides a quiet time for introspection, which can significantly reduce stress. Painting and other forms of art offer a way to express emotions and reduce stress through creativity. Engaging in artistic activities can provide a sense of accomplishment and distraction from daily worries. Gardening connects you with nature and provides a peaceful, meditative experience. It offers physical exercise and the satisfaction of nurturing plants, which can improve mood and reduce anxiety. Additionally, spending time outdoors in green spaces has been shown to lower stress levels and enhance overall well-being. Harvesting and enjoying the fruits of your labor can also bring a sense of accomplishment and joy. Playing a musical instrument can be a therapeutic activity, helping to focus your mind and improve mood through the enjoyment of music. Physical activities, such as running, releases endorphins that boost your mood and reduce stress. It also improves physical health by enhancing cardiovascular fitness and strengthening muscles. Additionally, running provides an opportunity to enjoy nature and clear your mind, contributing to overall well-being. Limit exposure to stressors. Limit news consumption if it makes you anxious. Set boundaries in your personal and professional life. Avoid negative people or situations that increase your stress. Listening to music. Listening to your favorite music can be a powerful way to reduce stress. Music has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce anxiety, and improve mood. Creating a playlist of soothing or uplifting songs can provide a quick and effective way to relax and escape from daily stressors. Aromatherapy. Aromatherapy involves using essential oils to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Scents like lavender, chamomile, and eucalyptus can have calming effects on the mind and body. Seek professional help. A mental health professional can provide support and teach you effective coping strategies. Counseling or therapy. Stress management workshops or support groups. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.